The Spool Manager is an effective way to manage and create spool assemblies within Revit. To access the tool, simply navigate to the BIMrx tab, BIMrx Fabrication panel, and click the Spool button. Input the prefix and number for the spool assembly. Click New and select the fabrication elements to add to the assembly. Once the selection is complete, click Finish. The assembly will now be added to your model. To add views, click on the Views tab. Select the title block. Then select the views to add to the assembly. Head back to the Spool Manager tab and click Create Views. You can also sort, group, and filter spool assemblies.